zammwe tuziriko ebibadde biganyi majegera ayingiddewo muli mutya bannaffe mwebale emirimu.
The Prime Minister ROBINAH Nabanja was accompanied by Works Minister General Edward Katumba Wamala, State Minister for Kampala Kabuye Kyofatogabye, State Minister for Information and National Guidance Godfrey Kabyanga, and Minister in charge of Security Major General Muhwezi. Some of the roads inspected are Chebando Ring Road, Sir Apolokagwa Road, Kasubi Nabulagala Road, Mutesa 1 Road in Mengo, Rubaga Road, Queen's Way in Katwe, industrial area roads on 6th, 7th and 8th Streets and Bugorobi Road.
And we are going to make sure that they work day and night. We are going to make sure that they work day and night. Secondly, we shall have to close some roads. Close the roads, give right of way, bakole. So that if they don't work like that, these roads will take a long period of time. We shall have to close some roads. That this one is closed, and we shall request that people accept that inconvenience. Ekirala tugenda okulaba nga mu Christmas muno ba contractor basigala wano kubanga traffic ejja kuba teriiwo, ate ne ba engineer aba KCCA n'aba Minister of Works tebajja kulya lunaku lukulu, bajja sigala wano.
At Chebando Ring Road, the Prime Minister grilled KCCA engineers for failing to implement her directives.
KCCA should not apply double standards. Oyo mumugambe tugenda kumumenya. Kati muli mukunyigiriza abana abeena abanaku. Kakati oyenga mwamumenya lwaki temumumenya. Nedda lwaki? Because now walk away eri supposed okubeera awo. Kati mumenye mumuzimbire ekikomera kye mukyongereye. Finished. Anti-corruption yawo. Corruption.
She directed the KCCA officials to compensate a landlord whose perimeter fence was left within the road reserve.
This must break. Otherwise, ojja kusanga nga abantu buli lunaku boda zitira wana abantu. We can't allow this. Bwe twajja wano twayogera birala mwe mwakoze birala. We agreed nti ekikomera ekyo mukimenye mukimuzimbire. N'agamba temukimuzimbira mumuwe sente yezimbire. Give him the money. That was my understanding with him. Kati mwe kizibu kyammwe kyakusigaza sente ezo. That's your problem. How can you, if you are an engineer, put such a blind corner in a road? How many people do you want dead? And that man was there. The Prime Minister decides and you change. What powers do you have?
At Sir Apolokagwa Road, the Prime Minister appreciated ongoing works. The contractor has started tarmacking the road.
You see, here you have proved some capacity. The other time I told you there is no capacity.
The Premier said before the end of 2025, the NRM government will have fulfilled more than 80% of the promises made to Ugandans.
Made commitments with the people of Uganda in 2021, and some of the commitments are the roads in Kampala and the other parts of the country. 35% of those commitments are complete. 49% is work ongoing, including this one, work on course. And we believe by June next year, we shall be at 84%. And to me, that's a distinction by all standards. 16% of our commitments have not yet started because of lack of money. But we are working around the clock to make sure that we get the money and also work on those commitments.
As she has said, we hope that when this work is done, Kampala will be one of the most beautiful cities in Africa, and we need to put all the effort to make sure that we keep monitoring and supervising to make sure that these people do work on time so that you people may be able to get.
Works Minister General Edward Katumba Wamala cautioned the Ugandans who conduct business on walkways of the new roads.
Mutekako abantu banatambulira mumuteke ennyanya mumuteke kusubulira ennyanya mumuteke endagala kakati banana
nebokezawo chapati
nemutekawo sigiri
nebocha
chorus kati banne mbakubiriza tubeere tulage obugunjufu wokuwe yakutambulirako baki babigere.
General Katumba explained the plan for reconstructing Kabuye, Busega Road.
From Kabuye, we are going to have another flyover, Kabuye, all the way to Busega. Okay? Because we want this to feed into the expressway of an Entebbe expressway and also Busega Mpigi expressway. So that's a future, yeah. So this one will offload into Kabuye, then Kabuye, you pick another flyover and takes you up to the Busega.
In some areas visited, the Prime Minister discovered that some communities have not received their compensation.
So really the problem has been coordination. But now that has been solved, they will come and evaluate, give the final value, assign the agreement and pay.
Mwazimba mukubo. Mwazizimba mukubo mugenda kola mutya.
Mukama yamanyi.
Katubakolera enguudo. Muzeeyi abatumidde. Muzeeyi akutumidde. Zijja kujja kola. Muli mutya bannyabo. Mwebale emirimu. Wamu nange.